One of the best ways to build a new habit is to identify a current habit that you already do each day, and then stack your new habit behavior on top. This is called habit stacking. Ito nga pala yung kanyang formula. Ang goal nito ay para mag-improve ka sa mga bagay na dati mo nang ginagawa. Meron din tong 4 steps para maging consistent ka sa bawat habit mo. Ito yung cue, craving, response, and reward. Yung cue ay nagsisimula sa utak natin, subconscious mind. Craving process naman is about your motivational force behind every habit. For example, natututbrush ka dahil gusto mo yung pakiramdam, hindi yung para pumuti lang yung ipin mo. So basically, the benefits behind that. Response naman is about how you take the actions, mental and physical efforts. And the last one is reward. Reward is the end goal of every habit. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit gusto natin mag-grind ng mag-grind. To reward ourselves and families. Hindi natin kailangan makipag-unahan. All we need to do is enjoy natin yung proseso ng buhay natin. Gamitin mo din ang formula ito para makapagsimula ka ng journey mo. At huwag mong hahayaan na sirain ng ibang tao yung pangarap mo. Ayun lang, this is day 13 of trying to reach 6-figure income a month. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!